Hi everybody, I wanted to introduce myself. My name is Christy Lane and I joined my husband in his business in January of this year. I was previously employed by AAA for 13 years. I never thought that I would leave the organization, and I wanted to tell you a little bit about why I made the decision. My husband works really hard. He's been in this industry for 32 years, and my son joined him at 17. Well, he's been a plumber now for almost 4 years, and he's getting ready to take his journeyman's test. And my husband and my son work way too hard for all of this to be in vain. So I wanted to make sure that I came alongside them to ensure that the company continues on. So making sure that all of the processes and paperwork and all of those things were in place so that basically the company is saleable. Let's just be transparent. But what I mean is, if one of them or both of them were to exit the company, whether they wanted to leave the industry, if somebody was disabled or retired, or God forbid something were to happen to them, that they would be able to get back all of the time and investment that they've put into the company. So that's why I decided to join them, and so far I'm really loving it.